Okay, this is what we started out with. A big, huge open fireplace. As you can see, it's a through fireplace. It's a negative 85%, they said. In other words, you lose 85% of your heating efficiency through going up the chimney. So to cut down on to make it more efficient, we got to close it in as much as we can. So as you can see on that side, we already built the frame for the back side of it because we're going to close that in completely. And then we're going to build another frame for this side, which will close it in. And then we'll put a cover on it with a door that opens so we can see the fire and also put wood in. This is the old ash clean out that was just laying there. We took that out and we bored a hole down the center of the fireplace, which is about 4.5 inches in diameter, because we're going to run a piece of pipe like this down the hole. It's going to go across through the basement and to the outside, so we can draw cold air from the outside, feed it up through the fire, and which is the heat exchanger, which we'll show in the next video how to put. We'll show you when we're putting this whole thing all back together and how it's all going to work. And that's what we're going to be doing in our next video. So whenever we get done, we get done. Hopefully we can have it ready for Christmas. See the big hole?
Only a few. Yep, it's pretty big.
Yes, it goes all the way down into the basement.
Okay.
And we'll show you how we're going to put the pipes in. That'll be the next video. Putting the pipes in first, and then we're going to put all the rest of it in. See the big, huge chimney? Very useless. So we have to cut down the amount of air going up. So we have to figure out how we're going to hold the flue vent open just a little bit. But we do have that all figured out with another chain, which we're going to hook on the heat exchanger, because the heat exchanger is so heavy that it's not going to move with the way the flue is working. And we put an extra weight on the closed flue chain to keep control of it. So we can only open it a little bit, or we can open it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Thank you very much. Thank you, and see you later.